Hey team, welcome to ACE Academy. I'm Harini and today we'll be looking at the most important current affairs of April 27, 2021. So without much delay, let's get into the first question. So the first question is, which state has announced Swasthya Suraksha Saptaha? So the answer is option B, Jharkhand. The state government has announced a week-long lockdown named as Swasthya Suraksha Saptaha in a bid to break the chain of rapidly spreading coronavirus infection in the state. So then moving on to the next question. So the second question is, who is the first Indian American Associate Attorney General of United States? So the answer is option C, Vanita Gupta. United States Senate confirmed Vanita Gupta to serve as the Associate Attorney General of United States. So then moving on to the next question. So the third question is, April 23rd is dedicated to celebrating which official language recognized by the United Nations? So the answer is option C, English and Spanish. So on 23rd of April we celebrate the English and Spanish language day. So then moving on to the next question. So the fourth question is, what is the rank of India in the 2021 Global Energy Transition Index? So the answer is option B, 87. India has placed at the 87th position among 115 countries in the 2021 Energy Transition Index. So then moving on to the next question. So the fifth question is, Arjun Kalyan has become the 68th chess grandmaster of India. He hails from which city? So the answer is option C, Chennai. Tamil Nadu teenager Arjun Kalyan has become the 68th chess grandmaster of India. The 18-year-old boy hails from Chennai. So then moving on to the next question. So the sixth question is, which country has topped the 2021 Global Energy Transition Index? So the answer is option D, Sweden. Sweden has topped the 10th edition of the index, followed by Norway in the second place, Denmark in the third place, Switzerland is in the fourth place, and Australia is in the fifth place. So then moving on to the next question. So the seventh question is, the central government has waived off the import duty on which drug? So the answer is option C, remdesivir. Government has waived import duty on beta-cyclodextrin, which is used in the manufacture of remdesivir as well as remdesivir injections. So then moving on to the next question. So the eighth question is, Maulana Wahiduddin Khan, who has passed away recently, belongs to which profession? So the answer is option A, Islamic scholar. Noted Indian Islamic scholar, spiritual leader and author Maulana Wahiduddin Khan has passed away due to COVID-19 complications and he was 97 years old. So then moving on to the next question. So the ninth question is, when will the voting for the two remaining places conducted in West Bengal? So the answer is option C, 26th and 29th of April 2021. West Bengal conducted its 6 paces of polls on 22nd of April 2021 and the voting for the remaining 2 paces will be conducted on 26th and 29th of April 2021. So then moving on to the next question. So the 10th question is, the World Book and Copyright Day is observed on which date globally? So the answer is option A, on 23rd of April. World Book and Copyright Day is an annual event organized on April 23rd by the UNESCO to promote reading, publishing and copyright. So then moving on to the next question. So the 11th question is, which state has launched YSR Zero Interest Crop Loan Scheme? So the answer is option D, Andhra Pradesh. And the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, YS Jagan Mohan Reddy, has said that his government has provided a financial assistance of 65,000 crore to the farmers under various schemes. So then moving on to the next question. So the 12th question is, what is the name of the latest bat species discovered in India with disc-shaped sticky feet? So the answer is option A, Eudiscopus denticulus. A team of scientists have discovered India's first bat species, Eudicopus denticulus, with disc-shaped sticky feet in Meghalaya. So then moving on to the next question. So the 13th question is, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has participated in the Leaders Summit on Climate. The 2-day conference was hosted by the head of which country? So the answer is option D, United States. Prime Minister Narendra Modi participated in the Leaders Summit on Climate hosted by President of USA Joe Biden. So then moving on to the next question. So the 14th question is, the Global Energy Transition Index is released every year by which organization? So the answer is option B, World Economic Forum. The report is published by the WEF, which is also known as World Economic Forum, prepared in collaboration with Accenture to track the nations on the current performance of their energy system across various aspects. So then moving on to the next question. So the 15th question is, the Leaders Summit on Climate in the run-up to the United Nations Climate Change Conference, which is also known as COP26. The COP26 is scheduled to be held in which city? So the answer is option D, Glasgow. So the Leaders Summit on Climate is to be held in Glasgow. So then moving on to the next question. So the 16th question is, when is the International Girls in ICT Day observed? So the answer is option C, on 4th Thursday of April. Every year the International Girls in ICT Day is observed on the 4th Thursday of April by the International Telecommunication Union member states. So then moving on to the next question. So the 17th question is, as per S&P Global Rating, what is the estimated GDP growth rate of India in financial year 2021 to 2022? So the answer is option A, 11%. So as per S&P Global Rating, the estimated GDP growth rate of India for financial year 2021 to 2022 is 11%. So then moving on to the next question. So the 18th question is, what was the profession of Farid Sabari, who has passed away? So the answer is option D, Qawwali singer. Well-known Qawwali singer Farid Sabari of the famous Sabari Brothers duo has passed away and he was 58 years old. So that's it, we are done for the day, and thank you for watching our video. And if you like our video, please give this video a thumbs up. Also consider subscribing to our channel and share this video with your friends. So I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, bye. It's me, Harini, signing off.